Hello friends, welcome to this new lecture. In this lecture, we are going to create a branch in our GitHub repo and then we are going to switch to that branch on our local system. Whenever we are given a task, we need to create a branch in our GitHub repo and then commit our changes in that branch. In this newly created branch, we will commit our GitHub code with the new changes, and once this branch is ready, we will merge it with our master branch or main branch. As you can see, main branch is our default branch here. Hence, it is always recommended that if you want to make any code changes that are new, you first create a feature branch and then you create a pull request to merge that feature branch into the main. And that's how multiple developers work on a single GitHub repo. So let's jump into the action. In order to create a new branch for your GitHub repo, to click on this drop down icon, then you need to provide a branch name. If you are going to work on a new feature, you provide a feature prefix and then provide a forward slash and provide branch meaningful name. Here I can say code changes for Git. As you can see, we have provided a meaningful name to this new branch. Let's hit enter and click on this option, create branch feature / code changes for GitHub repo from main. I'll select this option and you can see a new branch has been created from main branch. As of now, this branch is up to date with main branch. Now we have created this branch on GitHub repo. This is not present in our local repo that we cloned here in our D drive. As you can see, we cloned this GitHub repo in D drive GitHub YouTube series folder. Let me open command prompt here and let's do a git pull command. Let me zoom in. We have typed git pull command to pull this newly created branch on our local system, and let's hit enter and you can see we have received the new changes, which is a new branch with name feature code changes for Git repo has been created. This branch was created from origin, which is main branch, and now all the changes are up to date. It means our local branch is now synced with the GitHub remote branch. Now since we will be making our changes in feature branch, let's switch to feature branch. In order to switch to this feature branch, we will have type git paste checkout, and after checkout we will type branch name, which is feature / code changes for Git repo, and hit enter. And as you can see, we have successfully switched to a new branch, which is feature code changes for GitHub repo branch. You can validate it by typing git paste branch and hit enter, and you can see there are two branches in this GitHub repo. One is highlighted in green and marked with an asterisk. This means we are currently on feature branch, and there is another branch which is main branch that is present, but right now we are working on feature branch on our local system. So that's how you create a new branch in your GitHub repo in order to start working on new code changes. And then we pulled this new branch on our local system and we switch to that branch. In the next lecture, we will start making code changes so that we can push it to our feature branch. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.